Something's baking and you can't ignore the way it pulls you to the kitchen light. Everything's gonna be alright. Tell me you feel it too. That warmth that's calling you. Mommy's cooking up something sweet. Fluffy cupcakes, no sugar beet. Late afternoon, the perfect time for treats to make everything fine. Nothing tastes like home. Right here where I belong. You said you'd teach me all your little tricks, how to make the batter never stick. But honestly, I just love to watch you work your magic, never botch. Tell me you feel it too. That love in everything you do. Mommy's cooking up something sweet. Fluffy cupcakes, no sugar beet. Late afternoon, the perfect time for treats to make everything fine. Nothing tastes like home. Right here where I belong. Some people chase the fancy stuff, but simple love is more than enough. Your kitchen counter flour on your hands. You make me feel like I understand what really matters in this crazy world. Oh, oh. Mommy's cooking up something sweet. Fluffy cupcakes, no sugar beet. Late afternoon, the perfect time for treats to make everything fine. Nothing tastes like home. Right here where I belong. You know that feeling when you walk through the door. Something's baking and you can't ignore